So we're gonna go double check our list. This is hard to do. I'll work a full-time job. I work a lot of little side jobs to make the ends meet. I'm taking the last of our scrap lumber. I've used what lumber I have bought to build a frame. Yeah, any of the pro roofers out here. Yeah, every 18 inches, every 2 feet you need a stud. Yeah, get it. I know it. Trust me, I know it. So, put all your little smart comments behind. I'm trying to do it optimized for cost. So all the cuts I did with these 96-inch cuts, or these 8-foot cuts, I had these left over. And it's just enough to build a truss with a small pitch. Should be enough, I'm hoping. And then I got it figured out to where I get a couple more 2x4s, and then I get some Simpson Strong ties for each truss to tie it in. And then with that, I'm going to have a center beam for the truss to tie into. And then I'm going to use some of this. I don't want to touch any of this wood right here, because this builds in a deck about the same size. And it's stuff my mother-in-law gave me. But I think I'm going to have to use some of it temporarily until I get more money. So, let's see how this goes. And this is my trusty helper, Luca. Luca, say hi to the camera. Say hi.
What?
Okay, it's a little bright. Yeah. Alright. Alright, here we go. I have to have this done today. So I don't know if it's going to rain. And then I got all of our equipment, especially our lawnmowers. I can't have those wet. But when this is all done, I should have enough to put all the excess storage in our house in here. And then I can start working more internally, or inside our actual home. Which isn't too bad right now because everything was remodeled in 2017. But there has been some stuff neglected because it looks like they ran out of money when whoever was restoring it. So they used cheap equipment or they didn't finish it. I'm going to tie in that and do it the right way. And anything else that was neglected, because last year I was renovating a 101-year-old house, completely regutted and redone by just me and my wife. And yeah, I did about 90% of it myself. So now here I am. I'm playing catch up. So we'll see how it goes. All right.